y'all, it's your girl here, Candy Faces MUA, and today I am hungry. So what we're gonna do a mukbang in the car. I am right now at Velvet Taco. I called in my order when I was on the freeway, and so now I am here waiting on my order. This is where we are. Alrighty, y'all, I got my tacos. Now I'm just gonna find somewhere to park so that I can eat and eat it while it's hot. You know, and we could talk about some other things, but I can't wait to go in. So I'm just looking for somewhere to park. I am off 75 in the DF Dub. Just left Velvet Taco, and I've been craving it. All right, y'all, I have parked and I am ready to eat, okay? Here is my bag from Velvet Taco. Pull them out. That's one container. And here is the second container. I'm gonna take a picture of these for my thumbnail. Trying to hope y'all can see it. So in this one we have rotisserie chicken, shrimp and grits, and this one is the Cuban pig. All right, I'm gonna take the tops off. I'm gonna take a picture. It's raining hard now. All right. Shrimp and grits, Cuban pig. I mean, shrimp and grits, rotisserie chicken. Sorry. Okay. And this one is my Cuban pig. Let me get a picture of both of them for my thumbnail. And I'll be back. Alrighty, I know this angle is a little bit off, but that's okay. We're gonna start with the Cuban pig. Yes. And to drink, I have me a wild cherry Pepsi. I love these. Okay, so let me bite into my Cuban pig. I gotta take my rubber bands out. One thing about the rubber bands, when you eat your food and you forget, you can always find them. Yes, so it's a rainy day. So how was y'all Thanksgiving? I'm talking with my mouth full. My Thanksgiving was good. was me, my two brothers, my older brother, his wife, my sis in love, my mom, my 3 grandkids, Kimbella, Caden, and Casey. My younger brother, his younger son was there, Kenyon. My brother and his wife, their kids, Jeremiah, Kamora, Kaylin. And me and my daughter, Krishna. My boys, they were with their dad for Thanksgiving. They're gonna be with him for Thanksgiving and Christmas this year. But we had a good time. The Cowboys beat the Giants. Whoop, whoop. Good food. And my daughter's birthday was the 23rd. It was the day before Thanksgiving, so got her a cake and we sung happy birthday. A good time was had. But Velvet Taco. That was done. Let me open my drink. All right, the next one I'm gonna eat is my shrimp and grits. This is one of my favorites. One of my favorites. I'm so excited. I think the shrimp and grits is one of my favorite ones at Velvet Taco. Oh, you know what, y'all? Look, let me get a video. We gotta get up close and personal on this one. So this the shrimp and grits. Y'all see that deliciousness right there? Oh, that sauce. I might go to the website and put the menu on her. And this is the rotisserie chicken. I really love this one. I do notice that when I eat this one, the tortilla always breaks apart on me on this one. But yes, let's eat this shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits. Oh, yes. Love the shrimp and grits. Oh, watch this. Mmm. They fry the cheese grits into that little ball. So what y'all getting me for Christmas? You know what? If you like me, if you love me, if you really want to do something for me for Christmas, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video. That would be my Christmas present from y'all to me. Thank y'all. I was gonna do my makeup in the car today for a channel, for a video on my channel, but I might not do it. Mmm. So maybe I should. The lighting is good, even though it's raining. Let me show y'all. Look at this rainy weather. On DFW. Look at them clouds. Look at my windshield. Look at the cloud. Ooh. Oh, I got my little Chanel bottle on my dash that my brother bought me. God dang it. My Chanel. By the way, if you have not watched that video, please watch it. It's the one I posted last night. Or should I say the video before this one? Just in case I don't get this one up today. But I'm gonna try to get it up today because tomorrow I'm finally going to Toulouse. No, I think this is only the I think this is only the second mukbang video I've done on my channel. My first one was a seafood bag from my homegirl Nikki. Nikki makes those crab legs. I got the lemon pepper one. By the way, speaking of lemon pepper, y'all, I love lemon pepper. When I tell you I put lemon pepper seasoning on so many things, even boiled eggs. My coworker years ago when I started working there, they was like salt, pepper, lemon pepper, hot sauce. I said, man, look, don't knock it till you try it. Shrimp and grits is gone. It's gone. I'm gonna get them little crumbs right there though. You know, I didn't even know about Velvet Taco till like around 2015. I had went on a date. When he took me out. And man, I've been hooked ever since. They have different ones. I tell you, I've been hooked ever since. No bullshit. Okay. My last one is the rotisserie chicken. So you got chicken, tomatoes, the corn, the cilantro. This one breaks apart every time. So it's probably gonna get a little messy. See, look, it's already breaking apart right there. All right, let's go for it. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. That's another ingredient. I love cilantro. Love cilantro. And to me, like if you get the good fajita tacos from like the taco stands, if you're not getting cilantro and onion on your taco, then you missing out. Like that's the best part. When people be like, no cilantro and onions, I be like, the fuck? That's the best part. My braids bent a little. I took a bath last night. I tied them up and I left them like that and fell asleep. And it's got a slight little bend in them. But I love them. Can't y'all tell I cannot stop getting this color? I just think it suits me. Can't help it. Oh, a big piece of chicken fell. Mmm. Good and soft. Right, let's go for bite number 2. Look, it's falling apart. Mmm. 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 With a hint of spice on that mug. Mmm. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the third and final bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you all have a velvet taco by y'all house, or a velvet taco in y'all state. Tell y'all, check them out. You will not be disappointed. They are gourmet tacos, like chef kiss. Like, Whew. Feel that spice, honey. But I hope you all enjoyed this little mukbang bang bang in the car. I guess I'm gonna hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Not y'all. Y'all come back. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all on the next one. I'm about to clean this food out my teeth, put in me some fresh rubber bands, and hit the freeway. See you all soon.